Mr. Bucket.
Mr. Bucket. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Whoa. Some balls. Whoa. One of these. And the hands. And some eyeballs.
A bucket?
A bucket? But they're not fakes.
You're so weird. Ready to build it?
Yes. This one takes out. This one's eyeballs.
Alright, let's see. Step 1. Push the two halves of the buckets together and press on the nose in place. So this is the bottom part. This it goes this way.
Get it. Get it, Daddy.
Sorry. Okay, push these in like this. Push it in. Push it down. Oh, that's it. Okay, we got it. We got it. Step 2, attach the eye stickers and push the arms into the slot on both sides of Mr. Bucket. You have the eye stickers? You know where to put them? Okay.
Let's see. Right here.
Alright, we got his eyeballs on.
Daddy,
Get his arms in there.
This is like a slide.
It is like a slide. Okay, we've got his arms in. You want to put that part in?
I got it.
Alright. We got it. Let's see. Press the hands onto each arm. Slide it in. I think you got it. No, you almost got it. Push it down more. You got it.
I got it.
Nice.
Now we got the rocket.
Alright, what do we do now? How to play. Each player chooses a different color shovel and a matching 3 balls. If there are less than 4 players, place unused shovels and matching color balls out of play. So pick a color. What color do you want? Red, green, blue, or yellow? You want blue?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll be green.
Okay, I'm gonna be you.
These, the yellow and the red ones on the side.
I'm gonna be you, Daddy.
Alright, let's open up the balls.
Not the ball.
Alright, we gotta put all the green and blue balls in the bucket. Just the green and the blue balls only, okay? What color are those?
Blue.
Okay. Are there any more blue balls?
This.
Alright. Now the green balls.
Pick all of them, alright?
Okay, after each player has dropped their first ball into Mr. Bucket, they must run and scoop another matching ball. Oh, okay, we did it wrong. We're supposed to turn them on first, and then we scoop up the balls from the floor, and then put them inside the bucket. And the first one to do that wins.
Okay.
Okay? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's do that.
Let's do it.
Alright, Will.
Can you put them in there?
Not yet. We gotta turn them on first. Turn the bucket on.
Oh.
Not working. You know what? You probably need batteries.
Let's go get some.
Alright, we got the batteries in. Ready to switch it on? And it looks like it doesn't work on carpet, so we gotta do it on the table. So we switch it on. And it only works when that thing is pressed down. Right there. There it goes. Oops. See? It works on the table. Uh-oh. Okay, Willy, you're on your own. scoop all the green balls and put them in the bucket before he shoots them out. Get them in. Oh. Uh-oh.
He's moving his hand.
Hurry up. Get them in there. Get all the green balls. Get the other two. Get the other ones. You better hurry. Get all the balls in there.
Frick.
Oh no. You better get all the balls. You gotta go fast. Faster.
Yeah.
No, just the green balls.
Ah. Sorry. Already.
Alright, you don't even have a single ball in there. You gotta get all three green balls in there as fast as you can. Looks like it just goes backwards. Come on. It's one. Get the rest, get the rest. You can't stop. You can't wait. It's gonna shoot them all out. Okay, hurry up, get one more and you win. Oh! Get him in before he spits them out.
No.
Uh-oh.
He can't touch that. Oh,
Okay, you ready? Line them up on the carpet. Okay, all three of them. Now grab the green shovel.
where? Oh, here he is.
Okay, do it as fast as you can. Put all three of them in the bucket.
Okay,
You ready? Here, get it ready. Go.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Before it spits them out. The last one. Hurry up. Get the last one. There's one more right there. Before he spits them. You did it! You got all three. You get a prize, Willie.
Yeah. So I do it.
Alright, Willie. Since you beat the Mr. Bucket game, you get 2 surprises. You get a little dinosaur slime. And da-da-da-da,
Whoa!
a Disney Pixar Cars mini blind bag.
Oh, thank you. Can I undo that?
Yeah.
Slimy.
Ooh, so slimy. What's inside? There's something that's buried in the slime in there. Ew, it's like a giant booger. Who's that?
Oh,
Gross.
gross. Another one time.
Okay, open it. You ready to open up the Cars mini eraser?
Hello, this one. What's the one we get? Oh, this one.
Whoa. That's a cool one.
Let's see what's here.
Oh, it's right there in the front. You got right there. Murray clutch burn.
Okay, let's take this dinosaur up. Let's stick him up. We're still moving.
Murray clutch burn ain't going nowhere when it's covered in slime.